and welcome to LearnCity. My name is Grace and I'm the mathematics tutor, and in today's class we will be using the substitution method to solve simultaneous equation. We'll be using the substitution method to solve simultaneous equation, and today's class will be solving 5 examples on substitution method. Now, our first example today is 5x minus 3y equals to 16 and 2x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Now, in substitution method, basically what we do is we collect like terms where we make either x or y the subject of the formula, then we input it into the second equation, thereby using it to solve for our x and y. Now, what do? We make y the subject or x the subject of the formula in our first equation. So we have 5x minus 3y equals to 16. So we have our 5x to be 16 plus 3y. We have our x to be 16 plus 3y over 5. So we made our x the subject of the formula. Now, inputting it into the second equation, we have 2x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Here our x is 16 plus 3y over 5. So we have 2 into bracket 16 plus 3y over 5 plus 4y equals to minus 6. So 2 times 16, we have it to be 32. So we have 32 plus 6y over 5 plus 4y equals to minus 6. So here we can find the LCM. We have 32 plus 6y plus 20y. So we have 32 plus 26y equals to minus 6 over 5. So we cross multiply, we have 32 plus 26y equals to minus 6 times 5. So we have 32 plus 26y to be minus 30. So we have 26y to be minus 30 minus 32. So we have 26y to be minus 62. So making y minus 62 over 26. Now, using 2. We have here 2 here, 3, and we have 1. So we have our y to be minus 31 over 13. 13 plus 13, we have it to be 26. So we can have our y to be minus 2 whole number 5 over 13. Have it to be minus 2 number 5 over 13. Then we input it into one of our equation. Can input it into the first one or the second one. So where we have 5x minus 3y equals to 16. We have that one to be minus 31 over 13. Plus 31 over 13 equals to 16. So here we can have it to be 5x minus 33 times minus 31. 9. So we have it to be 93 over 13 equals to 16. Then we find the LCM. We have 13 here, we have 16 here. So we have 13 times 5, 15, 1. is 65x minus 93. Here we cross multiply. So we have 65x minus 93 equals to 16 times 13. So 16 times 13 here, we have 18 here. 1, this is 48, this is 6, and this is 1. So we have 8, we have 208. So we have 65x minus 93 equals to 208. So we have 65x to be 208 plus 93. So we have 65x to be 301. And x is 301 divided by 65. So we can just make 65 in 3 places. We check. So this is 15, 1. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1. This is 19. So we can increase it further by using 4. 4 times 5 is 22. 2 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 2, this is 26. So we have it to be 260. So our x is 4 whole number to now be 31 over 65. So our answer is 4 whole number 31 over 65 for x. Now, moving to the second question. We have 2x plus 4y equals to 6 and 6x minus 2y equals to 9. So we have our 2x to be 6 minus 4y. We have our x to be 6 minus 4y over 2. Now, we input it into the second where we have 6x minus 2y equals to 9. So we have 6 into bracket 6 minus 4y over 2 minus 2y equals to 9. So we have 36 minus 24y over 2 minus 2y equals to 9. We have 2 here. 36 minus 24y minus 4y equals to 9. So we have 36 minus 28y equals to 9 over 2. So we cross multiply. We have 36 minus 28y equals to 9 times 2. So we have 36 minus 28y equals to 18. So we have a minus 28y to be equals to 18 minus 36. So we have minus 28y equals to minus 18. So we have our y to be minus 18 over minus 28. So we can use 2, we have 9, we have 14. So we have our y to be 9 over 14. Here we input it into our x. So we have 2x plus 4y equals to 6. We have 2x plus 4 into bracket 9 over 14 plus 6. We have 2x plus 9 times 4. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36 over 14 equals to 6. So we have 14 here. We have 28x plus 36 equals to 6. We cross multiply. We have 28x plus 36 equals to 6 times 14. Now we can divide through by 2. So we have here to be 14x plus 18 equals to 3 times 7. So we have 14x plus 18 equals to 21. So we have 14x, which is 21 minus 18. We have 14x to be 3. So we have our x to be 3 over 14. Our x here is 3 over 14. For the third question, we have y to be 6x, and we have our 4y to be 5x plus 7. So we already have our y, just input it into our second equation. So we have 4 and 6x, that's 5x plus 7. We have 24x to be 5x plus 7. We have 24x minus 5x to be 7. We have 19x to be 7. We have x to be 7 over 19. We have our x to be 7 over 19. So for our y, which is 6x, we have our y to be 6 times 7 over 19. So 7 times 6 is 42. So 19 in 3 places. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 1 is 2, this is 5. So we can make it to be 2. That's 18, 1. We have 3. So we have y to be 2 whole number 4 over 19. We have our y to be 2 whole number 4 over 19. Now for the fourth question, we have 4x minus 5y equals to 5. And we have 4x plus 8y equals to 6. So we have 4x to be 5 plus 5y. We have x to be 5 plus 5y over 4. So for our y, which is 4x plus 8y equals to 6, we have 20 plus 20y over 4 plus 8y equals to 6. We have 20 plus 20y plus 32y. Here we have 20 plus 52y equals to 6. 6 over 4. Cross multiply, we have 20 plus 52y equals to 24. So we have 52y equals to 24 minus 20. We have 52y to be 4. And we have y to be 4 over 52. So 2 here 2. 2 here 2 in 12. We have it to be 6. 2 here 1. So we have our y to be 1 over 13. So when we input it, we have our 4x minus 5y to be 5. We have our y to be 1 over 13. So we have our 4x to be 5 over 13 equals to 5. This is minus. Then find LCM. This is 13. 13 in 4 places. 52x minus 5. So we cross multiply. So we have 52x minus 5 equals to 13 times 5. So here we can have it to be 52x minus 5 equals to 65. So we have 52x equals to 65 plus 5. We have 52x equals to 70. So we have our x to be 70 over 52. We have our x to be 1 on number 18 over 52. So we have 2 here 9. 2 here is, we have it to be 26. So we have x to be 1 on number 9 over 26. Now for our y, Okay, we've gotten our y to be 1 over 13. Now moving to the last question, we have x plus y equals to 21, x minus y equals to 3. So we have our x to be 21 minus y. So x minus y equals to 3. We have it to be 21 minus y equals to 3. 21 minus 2y equals to 3. Minus 2y equals to 3 minus 21. Minus 2y is minus 18. So y is minus 18 over minus 2. We have our y to be 9. Our y is 9. So we have x plus y equals to 21. We have x plus 9 equals to 21. We have x to be 21 minus 9. We have our x to be 3. So we've gotten our y to be 9 and our x to be 3. And this brings us to the end of our class on substitution method for simultaneous equation. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.